So, hi, my name's Michaela, if you haven't noticed yet, and I'm really bored right now, so I decided to make another vlog. So, I have no clue what to do right now, because I'm all home alone and stuff, and I really want to know what people do when they're bored to death. I mean, really? Very stupid thing. Yeah, it's very boring to be bored to death. Ugh. But, yeah. Bored. Not much to talk about. I really am hating school right now. For no reason. But, yeah. It's kind of funny, actually. But, yeah. Also, I don't know.